drops of the grass were touching me, and it was so nice. And the fresh air, cool air.
I was walking, I can feel the silence of the nature, cold air, birds.
Felt happy, no?
We keenly slow down our speed and watch at the clouds. When the clouds moves, it has so many things like I felt a peacock going, a deer, many animals moving in the clouds. It was good.
Anytime if you have a, like any day or any point of time in your life, if you have time, watch the sky. That's the beautiful thing ever you can do in your life.
And here, and when we laid down there, I smelled the pure mud smell that it came for me. And how many times if we see nature also, it will be you in one or the other angle.
First I went and sat in that corner in the seat. Then I noticed that nowhere in the city has so much greenery. Recently where I've been, only 2 to 3 trees, and then again building. Here you could see only trees.
Yeah.
And when I was walking, I noticed that fruits, when they are not picked or not eaten by animals, they fall down. They go to waste. So if there's that fruit has nutrition which is being wasted, that I noticed it. And then when
Actually, there is nothing called waste in the nature. If the fruit is there, ripen, it will be eaten by a bird or animal, right? If it is not eaten, then it will go into the mud and become a tree again. Actually, there is a whole process. If you slowly see, nothing is a waste in this entire nature. Nature has got its own way.